Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best portable solar panels for Rev on Amazon. These portable solar panels typically consist of solar cells mounted on a flexible or rigid substrate, enclosed in a durable and weather-resistant casing. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Jackary Solar Saga 100W Portable Solar Panel. Rig owners looking for an option with a high conversion efficiency need to consider Jackary's Solar Saga 100W Portable Solar Panel. This model offers a conversion efficiency rate of up to 23%, which is almost unheard of among the other products. But its high conversion efficiency isn't the only thing worth getting excited about when it comes to this device. I was also intrigued by this solar charger coming with 2 USB ports, which ensures you can charge a large number of smaller devices. Smartphones, speakers, digital cameras, and tablets. The built-in handle should also help during these adventures out into the wilderness. It's just another included feature that shows this product is convenient and user-friendly. If you don't believe me, look at the customer reviews, which only praise its working process. Number 2. Dokyo 220 watts RV Foldable Solar Panel. If you're looking for a bit more wattage than our previous options, Dokyo 220 watts 12 volts monocrystalline RV foldable solar panel could be an excellent choice. Its 220 W of power should be more than enough to power your rig and its devices. You won't have to worry about this extra wattage affecting its overall construction, either. This panel remains lightweight with a 9-pound design, which should be easy to carry. It's made easier by the built-in carrying handle that makes the entire product much more practical. I was also happy to see it came with USB ports, allowing users to charge their smaller devices. Smartphones, tablets, cameras, and other USB devices. It's an outstanding feature to have in a solar panel for an RV when boondocking or camping off-grid. Number 3. Ecoworthy 120-watt RV Portable. The Ecoworthy 120-watt monocrystalline RV portable camp solar panel suitcase is a great choice for someone looking to charge their 12V battery using solar power. It excels in this role thanks to its pre-wired battery clips and pre-installed controller. As a result, it makes the use process much smoother for first-time users. Multiple buyers alluded to this in their reviews and couldn't believe how easy it was to use. It also helps that this option has a wide range of applications. It was designed to be useful for hiking, camping, boondocking, caravanning, revving, or a solar pump watering system. These applications are only some of the situations where this solar panel suitcase would be helpful. Its versatility ends up being almost limitless. The solar panel's heavy-duty aluminum frame and legs should ensure long-term usage is possible. I don't see how this device wouldn't be in your life for a long time. Number 4. Paxis 120W RV Solar Panel. This solar panel is the 4th product on our list, but don't think this positioning means it's lacking compared to the other options. This solar panel more than stacks up with the rest when it comes to features and performance. You can expect this model to offer an impressively high conversion efficiency of up to 23%, which ranks among the best available today. This aspect alone makes it a solar panel worth considering for any RV or camper. Rig owners can rely on this high conversion rate to allow the solar panel to function as a useful backup power source during power outages. For instance, if you find yourself stuck in a hurricane's aftermath, this device can help ensure you have enough power to live semi-normally. Other features capable of making a perfect fit for revving include water-resistant capabilities, durable construction, lightweight design, and a user-friendly using process. Number 5. Renogy 100W 12V Portable Solar Panel. Renogy's 100W 12V monocrystalline off-grid portable solar panel is an excellent option for anyone looking for a portable solar panel. It's a top-tier model due to the various convenient features embedded within its design. Its adjustable corrosion-resistant aluminum stand. This aspect will ensure the product is capable of working in harsher environments. It's a pivotal piece in making sure this portable RV solar panel lasts longer than you expect. This device's ability to perform well in low light conditions. Many buyers were shocked by how well it performed in these situations in this portable RV solar panels review. Its 100W output should provide more than enough power for your electronics during trips into these areas. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.